Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates.
Gillian Barre syndrome, and we are looking at its antibodies. So Gillian Barre syndrome has various types such as the AIDP. So there is something known as the AIDP. So this AIDP, the antibody here is nothing but the anti-GM1. So the antibody here is anti-GM1. Next is there is AMAN. So this AMAN is nothing but anti-GD1A. And then is the AMSAN. Then is the AMSAN. AMSAN is nothing but the anti-GD1. Anti-GD1A is again AMSAN. Then comes the Miller-Fisher syndrome. There is something known as the Miller-Fisher. The Miller-Fisher syndrome. So this Miller-Fisher syndrome, it has the anti-GQ1B. So this anti-GQ1B. Now to repeat again, we have AIDP, that is anti-GM1. AMAN, that is anti-GD1A, then AMSAN, that is anti-GD1A, then the Miller-Fisher syndrome, that is the anti-GQ1B.
To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.